sister, what are you doing?
I do nothing.
Do you know upcoming is our mother's birthday?
Yeah, I know.
At what day?
At 9 July, 25 July.
Can we both save money for our mother's birthday gift?
Yeah, I had money. I have money.
How many?
I have 300. And how many monies do you have? How much money do you have?
0.
So how we can celebrate our mother's birthday?
It's very far. It's coming very far. We can save money with our pocket money.
No, I don't believe on you. When I give you money, then you eat the snacks by the money.
You are fool. How are you my mother's daughter?
How are you, mother?
Why are you talk like this?
Why?
I thought that I don't believe on you because you eat very much snacks.
Then leave it. Not bring snacks.
Okay, we save the money for our mother's birthday.
Okay.
What we will do?
Buy samosa, cake, etc.
It is very normal. We will do a unique thing.
What's your idea?
A surprise birthday.
It's not getting in my mind.
Firstly, we full day we don't celebrate our mother's birthday. Then at night we surprise our mother.
At what time?
8 or 9 o'clock.
At 12 o'clock? At night?
No, a day before the birthday, we can celebrate the birthday at 12 o'clock.
Okay, save money then.
Okay, you can save money.
Okay, thank you.
Don't.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Done.